In this tutorial, I will show you how to load a substrate that is on a roll, define the material type on the Roland, and send the width to the VersaWorks software. To load a roll, we must first unhook the front and back media tables. Lift the sides closest to the printer until they have cleared the brass pins and slide the media tables away. You can collapse each side and move the media tables to the side. When loading a thin plastic film such as BOPP, it is easier to thread the material by removing the secondary front cover during loading. The rubber curtain may impede the substrate from passing through if it is not stiff enough. To safely remove the secondary front cover, you need two people, one on either side. Open the front cover and gently lift the black metal casing on the side closest to the printer. It will swivel on a hinge and allow you to slide it out. Once you have loaded the roll, you will need to reattach and secure the secondary front cover so that you do not flood the room with intense UV radiation. If you are using the take-up system, you will not need the secondary front cover. To load the substrate, carry the roll and mount the core on the media holder. Position the roll as close to the left of the side of the Roland near the printhead and control panel. You may get a material load error if the substrate is too far over, and you will have to raise the loading lever and reposition the roll before continuing. Carefully thread several inches of the substrate forward until it is far enough past the pinch rollers. You may want to grab the material once you can see it come out of the front of the Roland. After you have fed the sheet forward, move to the front of the machine and open the front cover. This will give you access to the substrate and allow you to position it properly. Pull gently on the film and check to see that it unrolls evenly and does not move side to side. Pull the loading lever towards you to lower the pinch rollers and secure the substrate. When running thin materials, you must use the media clamps to ensure that the printhead will not catch on the edge of the substrate if there is any curl or irregularity. There are two magnetic media clamps marked L and R. Place each clip on the corresponding sides of the film by mounting them on the rail above the pinch rollers. Align the edge of the material with a small notch in each clip. The clip should rest flat on the substrate. These will hold the substrate down and help guide it while minimizing the risk of the head catching. Be aware that the clips will limit the available printing area slightly since they cover approximately a 1/4 inch on each side. Do not leave the front cover open for long periods of time since it may cause ink dry up on the printhead. Use the arrow keys on the control panel to scroll left and right between the different material options. Select Roll and hit Enter. The display will prompt you to hit the setup key. The Roland will then measure the width of the sheet and automatically send it to the VersaWorks software.